Welcome to another WayWiser tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Notes and Lists feature on the app. To do so, you'll want to hit Create on the bottom right, and then pick Note or List. Once you do this, you'll get a list of different kinds of lists and notes you can make, or you can just pick a general one at the bottom and make your own. So we have a grocery store trip coming up this weekend, and I want to make sure I don't forget anything. So I'm going to go ahead and make a shopping list first. I'm going to put the date down for when the shopping list is, and then make some bullets. That way it's easy to view as a list, and anyone else that wants to come in and add bullets can do that really easily. That's one other awesome thing about our notes and list features, is that you can edit them anytime you'd like with the rest of your team members. So even if somebody else in your circle makes a note or a list, you also can add and change it as needed. It's team effort. Now, I think that's all that we need, but I'm gonna ask just to make sure if there's anything else. So anyone else that goes into this list can add to it. And when I'm done, I'll hit save at the top right. Once I do that, the list is created, and you can view it both in the Notes and List tab, as well as it'll show up on the most recent part of your circle. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and make the medication list for my grandpa to make sure everyone's on the same page of what medications he takes every day. Oh, great. And Blake helped me out and helped me decide that I guess we're gonna go get burgers tomorrow for lunch with my grandpa. Sounds awesome. So I'm trying to think of what kind of medications my grandpa takes. I want to make sure I get them all on here. So I do know that he takes fish oil every day, 3 pills. I know he takes biotin. And I also know he takes 150 milligrams of levothyroxine, as well as taking Advil as needed. So nothing crazy, but as he can... It's nothing crazy, not too long of a list, thankfully. It's pretty easy to keep track of. But this list can be as long as you need it to be, and you can continue to add to it as time goes on. Now that I'm finished with both of those, you can find both lists in the medication. You can find both lists under the Notes and Lists tab. Oh, and my brother just edited the shopping list. And he reminded me that we need milk. Thanks, Blake. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos for all the tips and tricks on how to best use the WayWiser app.